Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to rename your TREZOR Model One. In order to rename it, go to Settings, then go to Device. Now as you scroll down, you'll find Customization and you'll see Device Name. Now you can just rename it however you like. It has to be less than 17 characters because 16 is the maximum. Let's save the name and now confirm on TREZOR. You'll see like the name that it will be changed to. In my case, it's just Model One without a TREZOR at the beginning. I'll confirm it, and now it is changed. And I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.